Hey everybody! Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can, friends, on your iPhone to enable portrait orientation lock, or just what it's called yet, screen flip. Be sure to like this video, friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and write your comments. Let's get to our topic, friends. And in order for you to enable this option, you're going to have to swipe down from the right side of the screen and find this sign, this widget. If you can't find it, then tap on the top left on the plus sign. After that, friends, click Add. And you'll just have to search for the screen flip option and add it. When you add it, friends, it will look like this. That will mean that this option, the portrait orientation lock, it's not disabled. That is, when you go to a website and watch, let's say, a YouTube video, when you flip your phone to a horizontal position, automatically the website or the video will flip. To disable this option, please click on this sign, and you will have the portrait orientation lock enabled. The next time you flip your phone over on any website or video, then they along with your phone will not flip over. I can show you now, for example, if you turn on YouTube. And if I turn on a video right now, let's say. And look, I turned the phone upside down. As you can see, the video does not flip with the phone. That's how it works, folks. And that's how you can quickly and easily enable portrait orientation or screen flip lock on your iPhone. I really hope you found the video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to put your likes and also write your comments. See you soon.